The ultimate SecretSalescom review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. Everyone loves a bargain, and SecretSalescom offers designer brands at discount prices that look irresistible. But most people get this wrong. Just because something is discounted doesn't mean it's the best deal. So here's the truth about shopping smart on Secret Sales. SecretSalescom works like an online outlet marketplace. You'll find clothing, footwear, accessories, home items, and beauty products from premium and luxury brands. New deals drop often. Sometimes you can save 30%, 50%, even 70% off retail prices. That's powerful for shoppers who love quality without the full price tag. The site is UE-based and has a good track record of delivering genuine products. Payments are secure, and customer service is reachable, something that separates it from unknown bargain sites. Shipping costs are usually reasonable and returns are available, though buyers may need to pay return postage depending on the item. Here is the retention hook. The real strategy to winning on Secret Sales is patience. Prices don't always start at the lowest point. Products often move deeper into discount categories over time. If you watch an item for a few days, you might score a bigger deal. But of course, wait too long, and someone else could grab it first. That's the thrill of the game. Sizing and fit can vary by brand, so checking the size charts and reading product details is key. Also compare prices with other online stores to ensure you're truly saving. 60% off tag only matters if the original price was real. In the end, SecretSalescom is legit and worth exploring, especially for shoppers who love designer looks without designer price tags. Deals require strategy, attention, and timing. So shop smart, stay alert, and enjoy the rush of landing the perfect bargain. Stick around for more tips that help you save money and shop with confidence.